This is the Arrowhead Brass PK2006LK or loose key style stem for the 420 series faucets. Now it is the PK 2006, so it is for a 6-inch wall thickness faucet. Now if we get it out of the packaging here, you can see it'll come with the complete stem assembly, as well as a little list of instructions here in the packaging as well. Now if we take a measurement of this complete stem, you want to keep in mind this little rubber funnel shaped piece or the check assembly. You want to make sure that it's pressed into the body because it will move in and out. So just make sure that it is pressed into the body when you take the measurement of it. So if we set it down here, measure it from tip to tip, so from the end of that rubber piece to the tip here. So it measures right at about 10 inches. We can also measure up here as well. So it measures right over an inch and a half. And once again, this is the Arrowhead Brass PK2006LK stem assembly.